Was the beginning written last in the Book of Mormon? The Book of Mormon, as we are familiar with it, was crafted by Joseph Smith Jr. from Mosiah through Moroni and then circled back to the beginning until reaching Mosiah again. This unusual sequence suggests a narrative constructed out of order rather than from a fixed, pre-existing record. Such a process raises questions about continuity, thematic consistency, and the development of doctrinal emphasis across the text. It also invites scrutiny regarding how earlier material may have been shaped by concepts introduced later in the production. The backfilling of foundational narratives could reflect retrospective alignment rather than original chronology. Consequently, the composition process itself becomes a critical lens for evaluating the text's coherence, origins, and claims to historical authenticity.